Ahead of Delhi elections, the Rohingya issue has become the huge political showdown. The war of words is between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party in national capital Delhi. The Bharatiya Janata Party is raining fire at the Aam Aadmi Party government over the Rohingya settlements. The BJP is claiming Aam Aadmi Party is settling more and more Rohingyas in the national capital Delhi for their vote bank. BJP is also added here. Rohingyas are snatching away rights of the Delhi residents. Earlier, the Aam Aadmi Party had accused government of the centre of settling and making these Rohingya settlements and asking why blame the state government of specifically when it comes to border issues.
और हम अपने 70 के 70 चेहरे घोषित कर चुके हैं और वो कमल का फूल है। देखिए, दिल्ली में रोहिंग्या और बांग्लादेशी दिल्ली के नागरिकों का अधिकार छीन रहे हैं और ऐसे अवैध प्रवासियों को दिल्ली से निकालने की जरूरत है, जिसकी मांग हम लगातार कर रहे हैं। दिल्ली दिल्ली वालों की है, दिल्ली देशवासियों की है, लेकिन विदेशियों को यहाँ बसाने का काम आम आदमी पार्टी करती है, तो उसका उन्हें जवाब देना पड़ेगा। आम आदमी पार्टी का भ्रम है, झूठ बोलने की आदत है, वो हर बार झूठ बोलते हैं और इसलिए हम कह रहे हैं कि एक वोट बैंक के रूप में रोहिंग्या और बांग्लादेशियों को बसाने का काम आम आदमी पार्टी कर।
Anmol Bali joins me for the latest on this. Anmol, so clearly with the political showdown that's expected, tell me more about why and how the Rohingya settlement issue has become the big showdown. What are the parties saying and what is happening on that front?
Pooja, just had the Delhi Assembly election. Both Aam Aadmi Party and Bharatiya Janata Party have now locked horns on new issue, and Rohingya is the new showdown between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Delhi's ruling Aam Aadmi Party, where today it was seen that Delhi Chief Minister Atishi Marlena has wrote a letter to Home Minister Amit Shah, where she accused that thousands of Rohingyas were settled down, were allotted EWS residence in the national capital in the various parts of Delhi, and she accused Housing Ministry and Mr. Hardeep Puri and Bharatiya Janata Party's central government for this. And after that, it was seen that various of the Bharatiya Janata Party, even Minister Hardeep Puri and as well as Delhi BJP Chief Virender Sachdeva, came up with the statement accusing the Aam Aadmi Party of helping Rohingyas to settle down in the national capital. They also denied the allegation made by Chief Minister that EWS residences were allotted to Rohingya immigrants in the national capital. They have also accused that it is the Aam Aadmi Party which gave free water, electricity and other basic amenities to Rohingyas that helped them to settle down in the national capital. So clearly, after various other issues like alleged liquor gate scam, alleged sheesh mahal scam, now both political parties have got a new issue for the upcoming assembly elections in the national capital, Pooja.
All right, Anmol, keep tracking the latest on that. It's more about what can be done about it right now than the usual political showdown that we are witnessing.